We recommend using jacks. Dismantle the original rear valance. Prepare the assembly kit and the necessary tools. Place the rear valance on the bumper. Check the fit and determine the exact position of the rear valance on the bumper. Use masking tape to precisely mark the outline of the rear valance. Important: if there is a PPF foil or ceramic coating on the paint, cut out a piece of the foil or remove a piece of the ceramic coating so that the 3M tape sticks directly to the paint. Thoroughly clean and degrease the place of bonding. Remove small pieces of the protective film from the 3M tape on the rear valance. Place the rear valance on the bumper as marked. Remove the protective film from the 3M tape and press the rear valance against the bumper. Remove the protective film from the rear valance. From the bottom of the rear valance, in the mark place, make a hole through the rear valance and the support. Insert the bolt through the hole made. Using a washer and nut, screw the whole thing together tightly. Repeat these steps on the other side. Done.